Hi, I'm Ja, 18 years old.
Hi, I'm Isha, 16 years old.
Hi, I'm Ces, 55 years old.
Hi, I'm Car, 10 years old.
Rape can be committed by anyone, not just for men. Although most cases of rape are perpetrated by men, women and gender nonconforming individuals can also be perpetrators. It's important to understand that sexual violence can happen to anyone, regardless of their gender. There are cases where women have committed sexual assaults on others, such as molestations, harassment, and rape.
Sige na, mauna na kayo. Wala bala dito.
Ay, may pupuntahan pa kami.
Ano, gusto
Okay,
kayo.
bye-bye!
Tara na.
It's crucial to recognize that rape is not a crime exclusive to men. Women and gender nonconforming people can also be perpetrators of sexual assault. Sexual violence can affect anyone, regardless of gender. A boy trying to rape his grandmother. Sexual abuse of children. Say no to rape.